Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to find the calendar for your courses and even for your own personal Google account on Canvas. So there are two options. You can either go down here on the sidebar and click calendar, and we'll do that in a minute, or you can go down here and click view calendar. So I'm going to click view calendar, and then you'll see the calendar pop up and you have all your months in here, and you can view weekly or you can view it by the month. And then down here what you can do is you can have your personal calendars linked. You can have all of your classes, your courses linked if you want to see what all is due for each course, or you could have just one clicked. So I have right now just my sandbox clicked, and that is what you see. So then let's go back to your course. So let's say you were in sandbox and then you went down here to calendar. It's going to take you to the same page, so you can, if you're not on your home page of your course, you can still access it just by clicking the calendar tab over here on the left hand side.